Okay, now I'm recording. Now present now.
Entire screen.
Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is submit this form.
Yeah, just want to see if it goes to the same thank you page or a different one.
Oops. Yes.
It goes to the same thank you. Um,
So
so
that's a problem.
yeah,
Okay.
so we wouldn't be able to differentiate here. So
Well, I can
all the forms which
I can easily uh, create a new one. It'll only take a second.
okay.
Mm,
Yeah, that would be good. Yeah.
okay. So then we don't really need to do anything other than grab the URL, right?
Yes. Yeah. But then there are certain forms where it displays the thank you message once the form is submitted. That works in a different way. This works in a different way.
Yeah. Um, I don't know if the other ones. I mean I don't know if there are any other ones that we need to worry about that do that. But
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
So
Okay.
um, so the place to go is here.
Yeah. So the first process is we have to create a conversion in the Google Ads account.
Okay.
So let's switch to the Google Ads account. Let's click back. Okay. Please do click the plus, which is on the top left. Please do click on the category select button. You can choose contact because it's a contact form submission. Yeah. Okay. And the value will be do not use a value because it's a form submission. Count would be 1. Okay. And let's click on create and continue. Okay. Please do choose the third one where it says use Google Tag Manager. Okay. So this conversion ID and the label has to be copied.
Okay.
Okay. And now let's come to the Google Tag Manager. Third tab. No, third tab, a previous one. Now you're supposed to create a tag here. So let's click on new tag, which is on the top left. Please do click on tag configuration And here we are supposed to choose the fourth one where it says Google Ads conversion tracking. Okay, supposed to paste the conversion ID and the number.
Oh,
Mhm.
a little too fast for my own good.
And then the label. Perfect. Now, the next step is we are supposed to create a trigger where it fires accordingly. So let's click on triggering. Okay, let's click on the plus, which is on the top right. Let's click on trigger configuration again. Here we have many categories. So we're choosing page view. Why? Because it's going to a different pages. Okay, let's choose some page views. Page view. Okay, let's cancel that. Page view is already selected.
Okay.
Some page views.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, yeah. Let's click on the click classes and here page URL. We're choosing the category accordingly. Contains, it'll be / thank hyphen you. Yeah,
Peel off the domain.
yeah. The last part is enough because we are just giving contains. If we are giving equals, we have a criteria equals, we have to submit the entire URL.
Hmm.
Okay, let's click on save. Save again, or you can just mention it as contact form thank you page URL. Okay, save. Top left where it's mentioned as untitled tag, we'll just rename it as contact us form submission. Perfect. Yeah, let's click on save. Okay, after a tag is created here, we are supposed to submit the container. So let's click on submit, which is on the top right. Publish, which is again on the top right. Continue. Okay, so this is done. So in order, let's click on workspace, which is on the top left. So here, in order to track any element on the website, either a form submission or a click on any element, we're supposed to create a conversion in the Google Ads account, and then we have to copy the conversion ID and the label which is generated in the Google Ads account, and we have to come here to the Google Tag Manager account, create a new tag accordingly, and
Okay.
trigger it would be based on the, if it is going to a different page, we are supposed to choose page URL, but if it is displaying a thank you message, we choose a different trigger. Okay.
Okay.
And now let's do a test to see if it is working correctly or not. Let's click on preview. So this one will not work. We have to again click on preview. So let's just switch the tab to the Google Tag Manager. That's the last third tab. Last third tab.
This one.
Before that, a previous one. Yeah. Let's click on preview. Yeah. Okay, so last time we just gave this thank you page. Now instead of, yeah, we have to give a new thank you page. Yeah, let's click on start. Okay, let's just check the previous window. Let's click on continue. Yeah, perfect. Can we see that the tag fired? That's contact us form submission. It's the one. And below we can see there is thank you page tracking. The tag didn't fire. So that's the difference.
Hmm.
Okay, on this page, contact us form submission tag fired, but the thank you page form, which was created for all the form submission, did not fire.
Right.
Okay, yeah, this is it. So in future, if there's any person who visits our website through an ad click and fills these forms will be able to find the conversion value. And the
Okay.
tag, which is in unverified, it would go as no recent conversion or recording conversion. Okay.
Okay.
Mm. Okay. Anything else apart from it?
No, that's it. Thank you very much. I appreciate your help and going over it with me again so that I could record it. I appreciate it.
No problem. Yeah. Thank you so much. And I'm really sorry for being fast initially. Okay.
No, it's fine.
Okay. So as of now, I wouldn't be closing the case. I would be monitoring it for next 7 days. So
Okay.
let me just quickly summarize of what I did today. A conversion to track the form submission was already created. So we just created a tag in the Google Tag Manager to track the form. And later we also created a conversion in the Google Ads account to track the form submission. That's the contact form submission associated tag for it. And both the tags we tested, and we could find that the tag fired accurately on the page visits.
Great.
So now I wouldn't be closing the case. I would be monitoring it for next 7 days. And if the conversions are recording, I would proceed to close the case, and you would also receive an email to take up the survey where the rating scale is from 1 to 7 and 7 being most satisfied. So I
Okay.
would request you to please take up the survey. And
Sure.
if suppose the conversions are in recording, I would be giving you a follow-up call. Would it be okay?
That would be great. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Yeah. And post this call, you would also be receiving a summary email. So if you have any issues or concern, you can just reply to it.
Okay.
Thank
Thank
you so much.
thank you.
Mhm. Have a great day and thanks a lot for your patience. Bye
Thank
bye.
you. Bye-bye.
Bye.